Now let's look at the subtraction. Let's look at the subtraction aspect. Yeah. We just did the addition, and let's look at the vector subtraction. In this case here, we have A here, we have B, and A and B. So this is negative and negative. And so this AX minus BX on the IX on the I location, then AY and BY, negative BY. This is AX and this is BX negative. So this is just what this line defines. So you always want to take the like terms when you are doing your calculations so that you don't miscalculate it. And whereby the scalar multiplications just defines the calculation of the vector and the scalar. It's the x as a vector and this ax as a scalar. That's where we have the scalar multiplication. Let us look at some examples here and see how we can solve them. Okay, so let's look at this first example here. That says 2i minus 3j. A as for A and B is negative 4i plus 2j. So we want to add them up, we'll take their like terms, this and this first, then this and this next. So 2i minus 4j will give us negative 2i. Then negative 3i plus 2j will give us negative j. So that will be the answer for this. That was going to be negative 2i minus j. So let's look at for B. 2i minus 4, this is negative here, will give us what? 6. Then minus 3i minus plus 2 is going to give us 5. It's 5i and 5j. So that's going to give us 6i minus 5j. Because this is negative sign here, 3 minus 2, no, plus 5j. That's 3. Oh, what am I doing? So this will just give us negative 5j. Then for this one, it's just the multiplication of this factor. 2 times a, that will be 4i minus 6j. Now the next one is this. We have this a as 2i